Hello, and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Not much happened today or yesterday, so a very boring day, very boring chart as well. But don't forget the bigger picture. Yeah, don't forget about the bigger picture. This wave one landed spot on where it needed to do it. It's a really nice wave one, which ended here on the 9th of December. This wave two looks actually quite bullish, yeah, because normally in a wave two people get scared. This is more like a sideways correction, which is very bullish, a very high X wave, yeah, in this correction, overshooting X wave, or it could be a B wave, depending on how this develops, this nonsense here. Really ridiculous price action in this correction, but it's overshooting. Corrective waves are very bullish. I mean, yeah, it's a lovely 1-2 setup, okay? And as long as we're holding the 1677 level, so we're far away from any invalidation point, right? Or any point where this scenario will get less likely. So as long as that support is holding, and I don't, there's no immediate risk of breaking it at the moment, we should get a nice third wave rally to 3,500 plus in the coming weeks or months. Okay, so looking really bullish for Ether. The only question is now, obviously, how much lower do we go? I honestly absolutely don't like the yellow count anymore. I think I will get rid of it. I don't like it anymore. It doesn't make sense, really. If it is a wave one, then it likely bottomed here, but that would only be in 3 waves, I think. But it certainly to have it here with that murky structure doesn't make any sense at all anymore. So I'd either put it here, put the 2 here, but then again, there's nothing happening there. So yeah, I think, I don't know. I need to think about it. Maybe I'll take it off tomorrow. We'll see. But I can tell you, I don't like the yellow count anymore. But also white, it's just messy. I think what might happen is that it's extending, for example, its corrective structure here, ABC or something. This could get much more twisted. This could get much more messy. So it's literally, I just said, it's nonsense what happens here. It's just ugly sideways action. Nothing really that gives us a clear sense of direction. The market doesn't know what it wants to do. What I find probable is that we get one more low here. So there are a few options. For example, we could say that, yep, X wave topped here, and now A, B, but even the B wave could extend a bit, okay? But let's say, yep, A, B, okay, maybe we come down from here in a C wave, then this would be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not a great 1-2 setup either, because the wave 1 down was only 3 waves, so not clearly impulsive. So that's a problem, and we did hold support. So yeah, we just have to wait here. Honestly, we have to wait. I think the other option is that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we go a little lower. That would be quite probable, but there are just too many options. We're dealing with a lot of corrective price action there in the detail, and that just leaves you with a lot of available options. Yeah, lots of options. So what I highlighted to you, I need to see more price action to really get a strong leaning here. I can tell you that on this time frame, there's a lot of messy price action at the moment. In doubt, zoom out, and if you want to avoid the noise here, then it makes sense to focus on that 1-2 setup, buying as we dip lower. 1677 is the key support, and it's an amazing reward to risk ratio, because if you're trading for the bull run, 10, 12K, possible target range, yeah? So I think we just need to be a little bit more patient. I mean, let's assume Bitcoin goes indeed higher. Then also for Bitcoin, the question is, 3 waves up, okay, and that could be here, A, B, C, and we have a larger B wave, and then can still break down. So yeah, I think we just have to be a bit patient. See, if we talk about short term, I think Bitcoin is the much clearer setup at the moment. Short term, absolutely. So I would even ignore Ether short term, because there's literally nothing. It's between support and resistance in the middle. It's moving up in corrective waves. It's moving down in corrective waves. Yeah, and yeah, there is no strong leaning on this time frame. Overall bullish, absolutely. But where does it go very short term? That's what we need to see, what the market needs to reveal to us. Certainly a break above resistance, I think, would have bullish implications. Resistance range here is around 2,425 to 2,455. Maybe we will know more tomorrow or early next week. But yeah, I mean, it can also be an outcome of the analysis to say that in the very short term, it might be wise to avoid the microstructure trading. Focus on the bigger picture, focus on the next higher degree, or looking for other setups which are a little clearer. But to be honest, the entire market at the moment is a bit of a mess because it's sort of, again, boring people out before the big move comes probably. Okay, that's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.